Okay, we're on Monday's warm-up, Series 2, page 5. A fawn has an empty box in the shape of a rectangular prism. She will fill the box with cubes made of plastic. Each cube has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. The base layer of cubes is shown. What we're going to learn is volume is a base times a height yet. They haven't told us the height, they've just given us this base layer. So this is where I teach you to number it backwards, because I want you to understand that this layer or this box right here is all the same box. So it is counted as a 1 twice. Okay? So my numbers here are 6 times 4, which gets me 24 boxes. But down here it's telling me I'm going to have 7 layers of them. So then I'm 24 times 7, 28, 14, 15, 16, which gets us here. This is a different way of teaching it, and we'll talk about, but notice I still did length times width, and I got my answer, and then I did that times height, which is my layers. So that's how we got that. Okay, it's just a different way of looking at it. One plastic cup has a mass of 42.3 grams. What is the mass of 16 plastic cups in grams? This is a multiplication. I do not have to line the decimals up. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13, carry, 24, 25, spacer, and then this is times 1, so it's 3, 2, and 4, and now I can add it up, and I got 1 swoop, so right now I have 676.8. I'm technically cheating and typing this in my calculator to make sure I got that right, which I did, and that's the answer. Okay, 3, Mr. Carter's net income. I talked about this yesterday. Remember, net income is after the deductions. No, I'm sorry, take that so back. Yeah, net. Oh my gosh. Gross is before, net is after. Net is after. Gross is before, and then net is after it goes through the deductions. Sorry. The table below shows the budget he created. So all of this needs to add up to what did he take home. Those are words your parents use. Take home pay. So if I add all these up, I'm quickly looking to see similar numbers. 2,500 is what I have here, and then this together would be 855, and then 325, and then I'm adding that 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17. So all of these together equal 3,780. He has this much money a month coming in. So they want to know what goes in his other. So I have to get the difference of these. 4988 minus 3780, 8021. 1,208. I'm thinking it's H and I did something wrong. So I am going to quickly check here. 125 plus 200,000 plus 750 plus 105 plus 500. This is right. 3680. I made the mistake here. 3680. Which would give us another $100. So be careful. Don't make simple mistakes like I did. Raphael bought 3 cantaloupes. He paid $1.95 for each, and he used a coupon. So here's your 3 cantaloupes, $1.95. This is your coupon. And now they're saying solve it. The question is which one of these. So I tried to do that quickly in my head by rounding that to 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 50 cents would be $5.50. I'm not quite sure which one it is, so I cannot shortcut this. So times 3, 15, 27, 28, 3, 5, $5.85 minus my 50 cents would be the $5.35. Okay, Diego tried to list all the composite numbers between 10 and 12 composed. He lists 12, 14, 16, 18. Which composite number is he missing? So the question is 13 prime or composite? I know it is prime. 15 is composite because it's 3 times 5. And these are also prime. I can do that because I know my multiplication, and I can't think of anything that I multiply gets me to 13. I can't think of anything that I multiply that gets me to 17, and I can't think of anything I multiply that gets me to 19. But I was able to quickly say, hey, this is 15. I know 5 goes into that quickly, so that's what made it a composite. All right. Last one, this is what we've been working on. You've been working on while I've been out. A table of ordered pairs. I see 0 and 1.5. I immediately do not see a 0, 0, so that tells me this is a additive. I'm looking at this and it's going, if I'm adding 1.5, oh, maybe not. All right, let's just plot. It's not looking for that. It just wants me to plot. Okay, thought I'd get ahead of myself. 0 and 1.5. 0 and 1.5. My next one is 1.5 and 2. My next one is 3 and 2.5. And my last one is 4.5 and 3. So that's what they should look like. I don't know where I got additive and multiplicative. Trying to do too much to record these for you. Hey, it's Monday. I'll be back tomorrow.